Hey guys, what is up? And I just got this, and the only reason why the box has been pre-opened was because I had to take a picture of it, show my buddies. I just got it last night, and I have absolutely had no time to dig into it or anything related to it, so, oh, here she goes. There. Go. Cardboard and the box. Just in case any of you wonder what the hell's in it. So yeah. I first turn it the other way. Go, open it a little. Looks good. Oh, jeez, this is heavy. 6-inch vise. Friggin' mint steen. Comes with these thingers. Yeah. Just got back from getting 2 bolts. The big dirty vise, and so got all my washers and stuffs, and got the holes drilled. Everything. All good things. And look at this, bud. Oh, well, that didn't do exactly what I wanted, but if I could, I'll show it to you guys later. But yeah, I can like swivel it. If I can like, I might have it tightened. No, I don't. Oh, I've tightened it, but you can like swivel her. It's pretty sick. Anyway, I'll be right back. Oh, got her all rigged up, bud. She's freaking mint steen. Once I loosen her up here, she should turn right around. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one seems to take longer than the rest of them for some reason. Don't know what it is, but you know. This one we're like 1, 2, 3. And then depending on what you want to do, you can pull her around. And you're like, look at that place. Full 100 degree. Full 100% rotations.